Is one of the biggest Pogo Hub raids yet. Authorities rescued over 150 foreigners and 36 Filipinos in a Pogo Hub in Porac, Pampanga. It took almost a day for authorities to raid the Pogo Hub in Lucky South 99 compound. It is 3 times bigger than the Pogo Hub in Bamban, Tarlac. The Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission said the rescued workers in the hub were allegedly kidnapped, tortured, and forced to work. Majority of these foreign workers are Chinese nationals. The agency is planning to file several cases against the people involved in the Pogo's illegal operation.
Pinag-aaralan pa namin yung ibang kaso, but definitely we'll be filing cases of human trafficking, physical injuries, and of course yung mga Chinese po na wala pong mga dokumento, they will be subjected to immigration laws. Kasi itong karamihan dito wala akong dalang passport.
Actually, kausap namin ni Manong Ted, yung spokesperson si Sir Winston Casio ng PAOK, diba? Tungkol nga dito sa raid. Apparently, hindi pa pala nila napapasok itong compound na ito dyan sa Porac, Pampanga. Kasi yung search warrant nila, wala pa silang search warrant approved by a judge, na deny actually yung kanilang hiling. So right now, ang pinaka-situation doon ngayon, nasa labas pa rin sila ng Pogo community na yun sa Porac, Pampanga. Yung mga na-rescue nila ay yung mga lumabas ng kusa doon sa community.
Kasi nakita nila may mga
Oo, may mga lumabas nga doon daw, nakaposas pa, bugbog sarado, ganun. So right now, nag-aantay sila, nag-file ulit sila ng sa korte, inaantay nila approval ng korte doon, hindi na nila sinabi kung saan, para nga mapasok na nila ng husto.
Kasi meron may justified cause na sila for a raid to be granted a warrant
Wait, this is important kasi ang nakalagay sa mga newspaper right now, raided na di ba? Ito hindi pa pala sila nakakapasok.
So, okay, nasa labas lang sila.
Nasa labas pa sila ngayon.
All right.